Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing two new performance parts on our Dominar. First is the stock replacement lifetime air filter by BMC, and second the Powertronic's performance ECU by Race Dynamics. Now at the end of this video I will also be showing you the difference between the stock RPM rev range and the Powertronic's RPM rev range. So let's get right to it. This is a BMC air filter that we have purchased, which is a stock replacement for the Dominar. We will be installing the same today, and we also have got ourselves the Powertronic Race Dynamics Powertronic ECU to be installed on the bike. This is what the ECU looks like. So we'll be doing the wiring. Video of the wiring can be obtained online. So we'll be doing this installation now.